Okay, Himanshu. So let's go for and share your intro experience of IIT Bhilai data science. Was it MTech course, Himanshu?
Yes, sir, it is MTech course.
Okay, and you are a civil engineer, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Himanshu, very brief your academic information like your BTech CGPA, your GATE score, your category. These three informations.
So I'm from civil engineering. I completed my BTech from Bhilai Institute of Technology, Durg, and my CGPA was 7.4.
Okay.
And my GATE score is in environmental engineering branch,
Mhm.
and it is 656. And my category is OBC.
Okay, so before I come to data science, Himanshu, I want to ask from you with environment science 656 GATE score, from where you have got the calls so far, or in how many departments you are eligible?
So actually, there is one misconception earlier that with environmental science score we cannot apply at many places.
Hmm.
But as counseling, as we have completed almost 90% of counseling by now,
Hmm.
we are eligible in almost many interdisciplinary branches at many colleges.
मैं एक एक करके नाम लेता हूं, आप मेरे को बस बताना कि इसमें आप एलिजिबल हैं कि नहीं. सिविल
Okay.
इंजीनियरिंग डिपार्टमेंट में इन विच कोर्सेज यू आर एलिजिबल?
So for different IITs, it is different, sir.
हाइड्रोलॉजी एंड एनवायरनमेंट एवरीवेयर?
Yes, almost everywhere.
हाइड्रोलॉजी एंड एनवायरनमेंट में तो आप एलिजिबल हैं आप, राइट?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
स्ट्रक्चर में यू मे और मे नॉट बी, राइट?
सर स्ट्रक्चर में नहीं एलिजिबल, सर.
आप एलिजिबल नहीं, ठीक है, डन. सो अब देन आई कम टू एनर्जी साइंस.
So energy science, I have applied at IIT Delhi.
Okay, and aerospace?
So aerospace also I have applied at IIT Kanpur, and it is actually, sir, not clear now till now.
Okay, and what about
can
data
apply.
science? तो आप दे ही रहे हो.
Yes, sir, data science. So बहुत सारे colleges में सिर्फ IT, CS और ETC एंड डबल ई को अलाउ करते हैं, बट जहां पास बाकी सब ब्रांचेस को अलाउ कर रहे हैं वहां ओपन टू ऑल है, तो कोई भी अप्लाई कर सकता है.
ओशियनियरिंग एंड अर्थ साइंस?
तो वहां भी एलिजिबल है कई जगह, आईआईटी मद्रास में नहीं.
सो व्हाट आई अंडरस्टैंड हिमांशु इज लाइक इट डिपेंड्स फ्रॉम आईआईटी टू आईआईटी, राइट?
यस सर, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन आईआईटी.
तो ये जितने मैंने डिपार्टमेंट्स के नाम लिए, इनमें कई आईआईटीज में है, कईयों में नहीं है.
यस सर.
ओके, एंड इंडस्ट्रियल इंजीनियरिंग मैनेजमेंट कोर्सेज तो सब जगह होगा?
यस सर, सब जगह.
ठीक है, डन. अब मेरे को इसके बारे में बताओ, आपका ये जो आईआईटी भिलाई का डेटा साइंस का एमटेक का इंट्रो एक्सपीरियंस था, ये हाउ वाज इट? एंड देयर इज अनदर मिसकंसेप्शन कि आई एम नॉट फ्रॉम कंप्यूटर साइंस, आई डोंट नो प्रोग्रामिंग, आई डोंट नो कोडिंग, सो कैन आई गो फॉर डेटा साइंस? दैट मिसकंसेप्शन इज आल्सो देयर विद स्टूडेंट्स.
Yes, actually, this was also the case with me, and so when IIT Bhilai also sent a syllabus, they sent us some syllabus for interview, and in that syllabus also 8 subjects was mentioned, and it was clearly mentioned that you must have some knowledge in 6 of these subjects.
Okay.
So actually, I thought that I might not be able to crack that interview because all 4 subject was related to maths only, which I studied earlier, but remaining 4 was related to AI and coding and machine learning, like that only. So I didn't know any of the coding, any of coding language.
Okay.
And also for AI and machine learning, I am not aware for that. But in interview, they only asked me question related to maths.
Okay, so I want to ask you something, Himanshu. There was a written test also or only interview?
So only interview.
Okay, so can you specifically, do you remember the topics of mathematics which they sent you or they asked you in the interview?
Yes, actually for mathematics, whole engineering mathematics syllabus.
Okay.
Which is for GATE also.
Okay.
They have specified maths 1, maths 2, and statistics. Statistics.
But then they say that it is only specific questions in maths is asked, some Like probability, people say probability and all these subjects are more important.
Yes, sir. Actually, I also speak to one of my friend. He is in ISC Bangalore AI.
Hmm.
So he also told me that probability and statistics is more important, but they didn't ask probability, neither they ask statistics to me.
Okay,
They
so
only ask,
do you remember the questions if you can clearly tell us that?
yes, sir. Uh, so one of mentor asked me a calculus related question. He
Okay.
told me to plot a graph
Hmm.
of one function,
Okay.
and he asked me limits at different point for that function,
Okay.
and he asked me to differentiate that function.
Hmm.
And another mentor asked me about that linear algebra topic,
Okay.
about eigenvector, eigenvalue of matrix.
Hmm.
What is some few different kinds of matrix?
Hmm. Okay, so
Yes, this two
how many professors were sitting, Himanshu?
the two professors.
Two professors. So do you think they were from mathematics background or some another background?
So actually, I don't know exactly, but for IIT Bhilai, data science branch is under computer science and electrical engineering department.
Okay, so maybe the professor from those branches, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so why they will take civil engineer if that department is electronics or computers department?
Yes, they also asked me same question, that why should we take you, or why you want to join data science?
Okay.
So I was very frank to them, and I told them that actually I was preparing for engineering services, which I was actually preparing for. Then when I started exploring MTech options, I come to know about this data science and AI branch.
Mm.
And actually, this branch is mainly related to what I know so far is mainly related to maths.
Okay.
And I am always interested in maths, and I am also good at maths. So that's why I want to join this branch. And
Mm.
same reason I gave to them also, that they started asking me questions from maths.
Okay. So Himanshu, did they ask you what you want to do after this masters in data science,
No, sir.
or they asked you to ask them any question? Did they give you that chance that please, if you have any question, any
No, sir.
question related to your BTech project?
No, sir.
So how long it was? I mean, this entire interview.
So actually, I think their net was not working properly. Their internet connection was not proper.
Mm-hmm.
That's why they only asked me 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay. 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 Great. So anything else, Himanshu, you want to tell?
Then IIT Roorkee, also I have applied for data science and AI.
Hmm.
There also all branches were eligible,
Hmm.
but they didn't take any interview till now.
Okay.
I
Okay.
think
Okay.
they will directly take on basis of gate score only.
Because after this COVID rise, no, now interviews postponed in majority of the places. But anyhow,
Yes,
wherever we are getting interview, let's go and face the interviews, right?
yes, sir.
Chalo, Himanshu, thanks a lot for sharing your experience and keep sharing with me all other experiences, right?
Thank you, sir.
Thank